It's Michael from ADM here. We're here at Avalon Airshow for 2025, and I'm here joined with two special guests, Steve Roughsedge, Senior Vice President of Theatre Operations, and we also have Janine McCoach, who's another Senior Vice President of Growth. Welcome. Yeah, and so, what brings you to Avalon Airshow for 2025?
So I guess what brings us, this year, we have an aviation business, and that's really primarily what we're showcasing here. But we also have a lot of other businesses that we have within our government and defence stream. So we have a theatre supply chain branch, which Steve's going to talk to you about soon. We also move 23,000 members annually, as part of their posting cycles. So
yeah, wow.
We actually have a lot of movement going on with them. We also have an area where we do a lot of the procurement for defence. So that's almost like our Amazon of defence for smaller items into defence bases. And we also have a really big healthcare business where we do a lot of warehousing and distribution as well.
Yeah, great.
And so really, for me personally, it's just a really good opportunity to get to meet, our customer, talk to, people senior in defence, also liaising with our industry partners. We've got a pretty stacked day, which is really good about, being able to have those good conversations, and which is, we're all in the one place, right? So, it's a really good opportunity to be able to do that networking activity.
Yeah, amazing. And I might pass this to Steve. What type of capabilities do you have on show today?
So today at the Airshow, we are demonstrating our investment and capabilities across the aviation spectrum, primarily through air and medical evacuation services, search and rescue. We operate a dozen high-end helicopters. We operate a range of fixed-wing aircraft, and we provide services to the New South Wales Air Ambulance and to the Victorian Air Ambulance through some of our programs. We're also looking to expand that footprint into new capabilities, which will bring additional benefits to the broader Australian public, Australian government as well.
Steve, are you able to go into detail around the new theatre supply chain business?
Yeah, sure. So Toll's been providing services to the Defence Force in Australia for 25, 30 years. And unfortunately, it's probably one of the best kept secrets in Australian business. So we're looking to try to expand the general understanding of the breadth and depth of capability that we offer to the Australian Defence Force today. So in effect, theatre supply chain provides the capabilities required by an operator to go into a new location and operate, or to support its operations within an existing theatre. So everything from moving freight, driving trucks, we do a lot of driving trucks as well, but also provision of warehousing solutions, full distribution, air, sea and land, movement of explosive ordnance. We provide port services, so that when visiting navies come to Australia, we provide services to them. And we do that internationally as well. We're also looking to provide services offshore, enabling access to some of the extraordinary capabilities of the broader Toll Group. So the Toll Group in Australia operates as much warehousing space as the ADF across a whole range of different sites at industrial scale. We have thousands of vehicles on the road. We have networks that go across the globe. We're in 25 different countries with direct offices. We have penetration into 150 different countries. We're in the process of establishing a new footprint in the Philippines to try to provide the benefits of some of those capabilities and services to the regional defence activities occurring from a strategic level. Some of our alliance partners are moving very heavily into the Indo-Pacific. We're looking to provide some support services as well. And we can provide capability which will enable an operator to determine what it wants to do from a foreign location, and we can provide a fully integrated supply chain right through to actually delivery of the service to allow a warfighter to go into a location and do their thing.
Yeah, fantastic. And if anyone wants to come and check you guys out, where can they find you, and can they check you out on a website as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're in Hall 4 here at the Airshow, but you can also find us online at tollgroup.com. That is tollgroup, all one word, .com.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.